Copy that. Swinging wide. Phase 3 is clear now. Bring it back. Copy that. Swinging wide. Phase 3 is clear now. Bring it back. Copy that. Swinging wide.
Package confirmed. Moving to shipping.
Our advanced technology ensures every potato chip receives the iconic saddle shape before undergoing rigorous quality control checks.
Capturing the perfect crunch, every chip evenly seasoned and perfectly placed.
The temperature on line 3 is holding steady.
Good. Keep monitoring the flow rate.
Look at the internal structure. It's perfectly consistent.
Yes. The data confirms the desired crispness level. I will finalize the report. Check the seasoning levels on line 3. We're running barbecue today.
The perfect cascade, evenly seasoned for the ultimate crunch. Ensure the seasoning levels are within tolerance.
I just checked the flow rate, it looks good.
From the fryer to the drum, we guarantee perfect flavor every time. Witness the golden perfection, fresh from the kettle, lightly misted with our secret blend of savory spices. Attention! Line 3 requires a flavor changeover in 5 minutes. Here at the factory, we ensure every single chip is perfectly coated for that irresistible flavor you love. Every chip, a masterpiece of flavor. Every bite, pure bliss. Our advanced systems analyze thousands of chips per minute, guaranteeing uniform color and flavor. Here at the Springfield facility, every chip is inspected by our state-of-the-art sensor array. We meticulously season every ridge for an unforgettable snacking experience.
Witness the art of snack perfection as each chip is carefully seasoned and prepared for packaging.
The texture and color are consistent with the golden standard. The snap is satisfactory.
Line 3 requires immediate attention at the stacking mechanism.
The output on the turmeric line looks excellent today.
Yes, the new robotics have really streamlined the process.
Crunch is excellent, perfectly balanced flavor and texture. This batch meets the quality standards.
Analysis complete. Curvature deviation, 0%. Proceed to packaging. Synchronization protocols engaged on Conveyor 7. Anomaly detected and successfully removed by automated system. All products approved for immediate stacking. Sequence initiated. Through the marvel of automation, these iconic chips are stacked with absolute precision, ready for packaging.
Attention all floor staff. Line 3 is experiencing a temporary delay. Please reroute priority shipments to Line 6.
Make sure the alignment stays perfect on line 3.
Looks good from here, boss. From here, boss.
Inspection complete. All seals verified. Quality deviation detected on Unit 74. Removing from line.
Attention all personnel. Line 3 is exceeding target efficiency by 15%. Great work, everyone. The moment the cans are sealed, they are rapidly transported by our robotic fleet to awaiting storage racks.
So many perfect chips, so much flavor. Taste the irresistible crunch of Pringles Original.
The perfect crisp, every single time. Get the stack that can't be beat.